Buhari for meeting with Turkish President. Federal government, they partner effectively with the Republic of Turkey to once and for all control the current challenges of security where they disturb the nation. This one happened when President Muhammadu Buhari engaged his Turkish counterpart Recep Tayyip Erdogan for talks on areas of common interest. Now the second time the two leaders they meet for less than 3 months when President Erdogan come Abuja late October this year when them signed different agreements to deepen relations between Nigeria and Turkey. This latest engagement small time after the Turkey-African Partnership Summit now to know where the agreement reach and to make delivery fast, especially on top security matter.
Turkey, of course, has also had its experience in fighting insurgencies and terrorism, and so willing to share experiences and also to look at the possibility of also providing weaponry. We hope to see the Nigerian military being able to acquire some weaponry in the fight against terrorism. The Navy, for instance, has some pending orders with the Turkish military industrial complex, and so finalizing those agreements is also something that was on the agenda.
Discussion between the two leaders still center on education, health, infrastructure, and most especially economy for the fulfillment of Turkish leader promise to increase the volume of trade.
It's clear from the engagements between the two leaders that the relationship between Nigeria and Turkey is deep. It's based on trust, based on proximity, based on history, and based on the willingness to have mutually beneficial engagements between the peoples of the two countries. Now, for me, I see prosperity. I see heightened activity between the two countries. I see greater partnership between the two countries. We are trying to bring together the business community, either here in Turkey or in Nigeria, for them to look at the definite incentives that exist on both sides in order for us to achieve the desired trade volume that the two presidents have outlined.
Both President Buhari and Turkish leader promised to promote fast recommendation from ministers and officials from the two countries for implementation. Ostatu Ame Hugbeidi for TMC News.